Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. If you're living in an area prone to hurricanes, storms, or tropical typhoons, you know how important it is to be prepared. It's crucial to have a home that can withstand the wrath of Mother Nature. The devastation left behind by these storms can be catastrophic. Today, I'm diving into the ultimate guide to building a storm-proof house. This guide will cover everything from the ground up. Trust me, this is something you'll want to pay attention to. First up, location. The right location can make a world of difference. Choose a site that's not prone to flooding. Elevation matters. Building on higher ground can save you from a lot of potential water damage. Build your house on higher ground to avoid water damage. Next, let's talk about the foundation, which is the backbone of your home. You want a deep, solid foundation. A strong foundation is essential for the overall stability of the house. Concrete slab foundations are excellent for stability. They provide a solid base that can withstand the forces of nature. Make sure it's reinforced with steel rebar to add extra strength. This reinforcement helps the foundation resist cracking and shifting. Now let's talk about the walls. The walls are your first line of defense against the elements. Use insulated concrete forms, or ICF. These forms are not only strong but also energy efficient. These forms are stacked and then filled with concrete. This creates a solid insulated wall that can withstand high winds and flying debris. They offer fantastic insulation and are incredibly durable. This means your home will be both strong and energy efficient. For the roof, a hip roof design is your best bet. The design of your roof can significantly impact its ability to withstand a storm. It has sloped sides that are less likely to be lifted by high winds. This design helps to deflect the wind, reducing the risk of damage. Secure it with hurricane straps to connect the roof to the walls securely. These straps are crucial for keeping the roof attached during high winds. Windows and doors are often the weakest points. They can easily be breached by flying debris if not properly reinforced. Opt for impact-resistant windows and doors. These are designed to withstand the impact of flying debris and high winds. These can withstand flying debris and high winds. They are a critical component in keeping your home secure during a storm. Also, consider installing storm shutters for added protection. Storm shutters provide an additional layer of defense against the elements. Don't forget about the garage door. A weak garage door can be a major vulnerability during a storm. A reinforced, wind-rated garage door can make a huge difference. It can prevent the wind from entering your home and causing internal pressure. If the garage door fails, it can compromise the whole structure. This can lead to catastrophic damage to your home. Moving inside, pay attention to your layout. The interior layout can also impact the structural integrity of your home. Open floor plans might look nice, but they offer less structural support. While they are aesthetically pleasing, they can be a structural weakness. Interior walls should be well distributed to support the roof. Properly placed interior walls can help distribute the load and provide additional support. Let's not overlook landscaping. Trim trees and remove weak branches that could become projectiles. Proper landscaping can reduce the risk of damage from flying debris. Plant trees and shrubs that can act as windbreakers. These can help to reduce the wind speed around your home, providing additional protection. Finally, regular maintenance is key. Regular inspections and maintenance can help to identify and fix potential issues before they become major problems. Check for any wear and tear, especially after a storm. Look for signs of damage and address them promptly to maintain the integrity of your home. Make sure seals around windows and doors are intact and inspect the roof for any damage. These are common areas where water can enter and cause damage. So there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you can build a home that's ready to face the fiercest storms. By following these steps, you can build a home that's ready to face the fiercest storms. Your home will be a safe haven during even the most severe weather. Stay safe and thanks for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your home secure. Your support helps us to continue providing valuable content.